Hey, what's up you guys, Big Z in this one from the Bengali and welcome to another video by Big Z. Just wanted to make this video to say Shubha Nobabor to everyone, or our Happy New Year in English, okay? But yeah, Shubha Nobabor to everyone out there watching my video, people who are subscribed to me and following me and liking my stuff on Facebook. My grandpa passed away last week, so we're not doing any kind of celebration while I'm on another country. My parents is on another state, so it's pretty out of control and everything. But just want to say Shubha to everyone. The year is 1427, so it's 1427 in Bengali, and that's 1427. Okay, and yeah, everything is basically cancelled. No celebration this year because of the coronavirus pandemic. There's nothing going on. Usually people celebrate. They celebrate a lot. They go to Ramnabad Mall, and then there's like music and everything. There's so much happens on this day, but there's nothing going on. Everything's cancelled, and there's also this thing called Mongol Shobhajatra, which means good procession, like well-being procession for well-being. If you literally translate it, that's gonna be good procession. But I think it's a little bit romanticized by saying procession for well-being. So people do a lot of things. There's also this thing called Boishakhi Mela that takes place in London. So if you translate it from Boishakhi Mela, it becomes Boishakhi Fair. So they have like a fair that takes place in London, which has a lot of Bangladeshi population. I think the most outside Bangladesh. I could be wrong. I don't know. New York might have a lot more, but yeah, I don't know. That community in London, they're pretty strong. They're big. They're definitely big. So yeah, all these events are cancelled because of the coronavirus pandemic. So you guys stay home, stay safe, and thank you very much for watching my video. Shubha Nababor again. Big Z out. Have a good one.